Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing and I am so excited. Very excited for this piece. So anyway, I have already opened this. I was so excited. I think that was last Monday I got this and I was so excited and I opened it right away. So anyway, okay, I have the receipt over here. Get the ribbon and here she comes, the latest addition to my collection. Okay, and also I like that they put this tissue paper in here. So let's take a look. This beauty in here, it came in with a dust bag as usual, and all right, okay, it is. Wow, this is a Louis Vuitton key pouch in a size medium. Oh my gosh, look at that. So let me give you a 360 look of this. All right. Okay, this is the side. All right. Okay, and then this is the bottom. Okay, so this is made up of classic monogram canvas. I know that this was released in 3 different sizes. So I have already did a video on the size small. And this is the size medium. And it's also available in a size large. So this is the zipper pull that's made up of a shiny gold hardware. All right, I think that this one is actually larger than the small pochette. What I mean is the zipper pull. It looks a little, yeah, I think it's larger. So you see the difference now. So this one is larger. I think this one, the size medium, is actually, the size for this is actually doubled. Not really sure. Almost double than the regular zipper pull. And for the regular pochette, yeah, this one has the same right there, but this one, the size medium, is actually larger than the size small pouch. Okay, and let's take a look at the interior. So the interior is actually made up of a grain cowhide leather. Okay, and this has the same setup as the size small. So over here we have a slip pocket right here on the side. Okay, so this one runs from this corner towards this corner over here. So it is not entirely covered all throughout the pouch. So this is the slip pocket over here. Okay, and the other side of the slip pocket over here, it has a very smooth cowhide lining. This is the product code. And then, yeah, the same thing. You could just easily take this one out like that. Very nice. And the interior is very roomy. There is a lot of space in it. So for this one, upon feeling the canvas feels a little bit thicker compared to the small ones. Probably because of the slip pocket right here. Yeah, that's my thought. But anyway, I mean, the canvas feels really nice. All right, and then we have a keyring chain in here with a hook. Okay, so this is how it would look. So let me just take this one out. Just give me a moment. So this is, let me show you, this is the product information. And it says here, Pochette Clay Medium Monogram. Product code M13560, and this one is priced as $490 US before tax. Okay, and let's take a look at inside. All right, so pretty much like it's the same setup as the size small, but the only thing, this one is large. Wow, very pretty. And unfortunately, this size is very, very popular and it's sold out. So my essay told me that the day it was released, I think that was Friday. Yes, that was Friday. This was sold out entirely at the store and online. But I don't know, maybe you might want to reach out with your essay. They could place an order for you, and you could still stock the website from time to time for the availability. And also you could use the notify me option, and that one, as soon as the item becomes available, you would get an email. All right, so wow, I am so excited for this. This is such a perfect size though. I mean, looking at it right now, definitely it could fit more than my essentials. Definitely. And it is $490 US. Oh, it's close to, I think, how much? Let me just show you how much I really paid for it. Plus tax, I paid $527.98. Plus tax, $528.98. Not bad. Not bad, because I know this is going to be very useful, very functional and practical, apparently. So anyway, let me show you a little bit of a comparison for the regular pochette right here. This is the regular pochette, the original key pouch. Okay, so let me put this together so that you guys have a little bit of an idea. And I also have the size small in here. So let me just put them all together so you guys have a little bit of an idea on the size comparison. So there you go. And this is the regular key pouch. And then the size small. Okay. Size small. Like that. Yeah, there is a big difference though. Look at that. So you could just put this. So how many? Let me just, okay. 2 of these. 1, 2, and there's still maybe an inch. Yeah, maybe an inch and a half. Right there. Wow, this is really big. Oh my gosh, it's big. So anyway, so the only thing, okay, let me just get some of the items over here so that if you have one of these, it'll give you more of an idea regarding the size comparison. So I have a Kirigami pochette, and this is the largest pochette from Kirigami. So just to give you a little bit of an idea, all right, so as you guys could see that this one is a little bit, if like an inch longer. See that? The height, I think the Kirigami pochette is a little bit taller. And then, yeah, so this is the size comparison. All right, and now the perfect comparison for this key pouch in the size medium is the Never Full pochette. So this is from the Never Full size MM. So if you have one of these, this is such a perfect comparison. So it's almost the same size right here. See that? But the only difference, but this one, this pouch right here is curved right here at the bottom, and almost the same. So let me show you this way. Yeah, almost the same right here, right here. almost the same length. The height is, the size medium is a little bit taller, maybe a half inch taller, I must say. All right. And the only difference is that this pouch is flat. I think this one has like around 0.25 inches the width, and this one is 0.4 inches. And looking at it right now, it seems that this material that they have right now seems to be a little bit like, it's a little puffy right here. It's a little puffy though, which I love. So this is very, very nice. So anyway, I hope that this video would be helpful in deciding which one you'd like to get for your collection. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.